Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 19. This is Section 1.6, Problem 19. We have to multiply 66 times 34. So, the 4 in the bottom rightmost position gets multiplied times the top row. 4 times 6 is 24. You put the 4 from the 24 under the column where we're working, carry the 2 from the 24 to the top of the next column to the left. Then I multiply again 4 times 6. I get 24, but I have to add the 2 that I carried from the previous multiplication to that 24. 24 plus 2 more is 26. Now, I have to multiply the 3 through the top row. But before I multiply the 3, I either have to move over one position to the left automatically, or I can fill in with a 0 to hold my position. So now I can start with the 3. 3 times 6 is 18. I put the 8 from the 18 in the column where I'm working and carry the 1 from the 18 to the top of the next column. So there was already another number that I had carried from the previous multiplication. I just cross that off and replace it with the one that I'm carrying this time. And I multiply 3 times 6, I get 18, but this time I have to add the one that I carried. 18 plus 1 more is 19. And now I can add the numbers together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 8 is 14. So I put the 4 from the 14 under the column where I'm working, and I carry the 1 from the 14 to the top of the next column. And now I add 1 plus 2 plus 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 more is 12. So now I put the 2 from the 12 under the column where I'm working, and I carry the 1 from the 12 to the top of the next column. And then I add 1 plus 1, which is 2. And now the answer is 2,244.